How to fix Capcut loading effect problem. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if Capcut effects are stuck on loading, not downloading or even not applying properly, well don't worry. In this video, I'll show you easy and working fixes to solve the Capcut loading effect problem step by step. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here let's start with the method 1, that is to check your internet connection. So Capcut effects need a stable connection. So here what you can do is you can try switching between Wi-Fi or mobile data, or you can even turn airplane mode on for 10 seconds, and after that you can simply turn it off. And with that being said, you also need to avoid VPN while downloading the effects as well. And with that, moving forward to the method 2, that is to restart the Capcut. So a simple restart can fix the glitches. So what you can do is simply close the Capcut app completely, and after that you can simply reopen it, and it will help you to fix the glitches that might be occurring before. And with that, moving forward to the method 3, that is to clear the Capcut cache. So here what you can do is just open the settings on your phone, and now here once you are inside the settings, simply scroll down and tap on apps. Now here just tap on manage apps, and now here in this section you can just tap on the search bar at the top, and there you can simply type Capcut and search for it. And now here once you found that, you can just tap on it, and now here once you're inside the app settings page, what you can do is just tap on clear data option, which can be seen in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here from the pop-up menu, just tap on clear cache and confirm it by tapping on OK. But make sure to not tap on clear data option unless necessary. And with that, moving forward to the method 4, that is to update the Capcut app. So if you're facing the issues on the effect, then the older version might be causing it. So here what you can do is just open the Play Store, and now here once you're inside the Play Store, what you can do is simply search for the Capcut app, and here if you find any update button in this section, then what you can do is just update it to the latest version. And with that, moving forward to the method 5, that is to log out and log back in. So here if you're facing the effect issue, then what you can do is you can simply refresh your account to help it Capcut to load the effect properly. So what you can do is just open the Capcut and go to the profile section, and now from there you can just tap on the gear icon shown in the top right corner of the screen, and from there you can simply scroll down, and there you can just tap on sign out and confirm it. And once you're logged out, you can simply log in to the Capcut using your same account, and after that you can simply check if the issues has been solved or not. And with that, moving forward to the method 6, that is to check the Capcut server status. So sometimes the issue isn't with your phone, the Capcut servers might be down as well. So here if the effects aren't loading, or you're facing issues with the Capcut while editing, then what you can do is just go to the web browser, and there you can just type down detector, and there you can simply check for the Capcut servers as well. So here if you see the Capcut servers are down, then what you can do is just wait for some time for the servers to be resolved, and that's it. Those are some few alternatives ways through which you can fix Capcut loading effect problem. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.